What's up, folks? I just want to do a very quick note on problem 2 as well. This is the equation that I gave in the slides. This is the equation. And what you have to note is that when we were trying to figure out Q for a step that we're interested in, the term that got multiplied with C1 is actually on the same level, is the inflow on the same level. The term got multiplied by C2 is the inflow from the past step, right? C3 and times Q, that's the outflow from the past step. So we never look forward. We really look, we never look to the next step. We look only at the present step and backward. Okay, so let me demonstrate what you want to do with the first step. Let's say this step here. How did I come up with 0? Okay, so at this present time, we're talking about Q1. Q1 is actually C1. Like I said, this ij plus 1 is actually on the same time level as qj plus 1. So that is, this step is 90. Okay, plus C2 times ij, that's the inflow from the last step, that is a 0. Okay, plus C3 times qj, that's the outflow from the last step, that is 0. Okay, again, when I'm trying to solve for this level, I never looked forward. I only looked laterally and at these two values from the last step. Okay, so I get a 0 here. Okay, so I won't tell you what C1, C2, and C3s are, but I can tell you C1 is 0. And you can verify that C1 plus C2 plus C3 is 1. You can verify that yourself. Okay, let's do the next step here. Okay, Q2, again it's C1 times the inflow at the same level. Okay, Q2, if we're solving for Q2, then the guy gets multiplied by C1 is the inflow at the same level, plus C2 times the inflow from the last step, plus C3 times the outflow from the last step, which is still 0. Okay, and if we do the calculation, you get 36. All right, that's my quick note for problem 2.